At the outset, let me give this little explanation. You might have noticed at the beginning of the Mass, I somehow very slow. Gituyo to nako para makapanguros inig untop 12:15. Murag sa nako kay sayo ra tingay kay kung naabot nya di tingali sila gustong magpaabot ang pari sa luyo. Susunod mugikan ko seminaryo 12:15 na lang gyud. Yeah, I have an issue. It's good to be on time rather than earlier kung mag-start. Kaya basig mga nain nang nagpaabot na to sa television, ba mo yung, sa man uraso, sa sugod pari, ano ba? So again, sorry for that pagsugod og sayo. Sayo mo kung naabot, pasaylo okay. Dumaura to, nganong gihinay man yung father, oy, aron makabot-abot pang uban. Sunod lagi maglangay-langay nako. Homily proper. We listen to Jesus today expressing himself as the bread of life. And this is one of the many I am sayings of Jesus, meaning the description who Jesus is. Today, we listen to him saying, I am the bread of life. For sure, for those who are daily church goers or daily mass attendees, you value this particular saying of the Lord, I am the bread of life. We need his constant nourishment as the bread of life. Again, this is so dear to you, daily mass goers. This is so important. And I hope this is not just for the daily mass attendees, but for all Catholic Christians, baptized Catholic Christians who believe in the real presence of the Lord. I hope we value this. And let me share two simple things that for me, a manifestation, an effect ba of us believing, holding to this description that the Lord Jesus is the bread of life. I hope we see in our lives, number one, good manners. I hope we are not like that in the first reading. No, who would consent to the execution of a person who has been good. I hope, believing on the bread of life, we exercise good manners, not to the detriment, not on killing, but preserving and promoting life. Our manners, look at our manners. Do we respect every person's right? Or is it easy to tulisok, to bash? Look at our manners. What naman good manners and right conduct. That's why our archbishop is so loud in emphasizing to regain good manners and right conduct. Second, kanang basig nakuangan pa mo sa inyong paniudto niya, tiwas pa mo kaon. Second is, if we see the importance of Jesus, the bread of life, I hope we care for the souls. Here, not just the soul of that someone already dead. Alam mo, bilar kita, mo adto kita dito, mo duaw ta, mo halatag pamisa, kana. Care for the souls, all the more for the living. Sila nga buhi pa. I hope di lang ta mo bisita, nga patay na. Bisitaon na to, mientras buhi pa. Care for the soul, meaning we do effort hearts that would bring our fellow human beings to heaven, makapalangit. And let us look at the words of Stephen in the first reading. Lord Jesus, Lord, do not hold this sin against them. Despite the bad things, the ugliness, no? I hope we are still capable to value in taking care of the soul of this person. Nga basig naalang gini siya giagian nga inani na ni siyang batasan nga nung ngilad gini siya nga ano inani ni siya kabatik karon nga naunsa ni siya unsay nakaon ani ngano man. I hope we still care for his or her soul. Not just his or her body or good health, but for the soul. Somehow going deeper ba? If that saying of Jesus, if we are truly convinced that He is the bread of life, practice good manners, and live out how to care for the souls. Not just for the dead, but for the living.